What if I told you that ignoring those tight, swollen legs could one day mean losing your independence, and that this is a mistake almost every person over 50 is making right now without even knowing it? Every 5 minutes, another senior is rushed to the ER with legs so swollen their shoes barely fit, with tight skin that feels like it could burst, or gasping for air with a chest heavy from fluid, baffled by why this keeps happening. Most were told it is a part of getting older, or blamed their heart or medications. But in reality, one silent problem gets missed over and over, making recovery so much harder and leaving thousands dealing with pain, limited movement, and sometimes even life-threatening complications they could have avoided. If you notice your socks leaving deep indents in your legs by evening, your wedding ring feeling tighter every morning, or you simply don't recognize your reflection because of persistent face puffiness, this is for you. Imagine the frustration of watching your plans slip away because your feet are too swollen to get out for a walk. Or worse, being told you need another pill to handle the side effects of your previous pills. If you just nodded or thought, "That's me." You are not alone. Has your doctor ever explained what's really behind your swelling? And have you ever wondered if there's something simple you could try right from your kitchen before you're handed another prescription? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Here's what most people don't realize. Swelling, or edema, isn't always a direct result of heart or kidney problems, and it's rarely only about eating too much salt the night before. For more than 2/3 of older adults with persistent swelling, research shows the body is quietly running low on a mineral it absolutely needs to keep fluids moving: potassium. When potassium falls even slightly below ideal, sodium rises and water builds up. The signs can be subtle at first, but over time, this imbalance creates aching feet, tight hands, and a general feeling of heaviness that drags you down, sometimes even leading to serious outcomes like difficulty breathing or an increased risk of falling. A major study published in 2023 found that when seniors added specific potassium-rich foods to their regular diet, many saw visible reductions in ankle swelling in under a week. Not only that, even minor improvements in potassium intake were linked with brighter mornings, easier movement, and less need for diuretics or water pills. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Potassium isn't something most seniors get enough of, mostly because of habits, medications, or even fears about certain foods. And the food industry, they benefit from selling products full of hidden sodium, while companies profit every day from expensive water pills that treat the symptom, not the root cause. So whether you struggle with mild puffiness or severe swelling, you deserve to know which natural choices could make a difference before you consider another medication. Today, I'll reveal 8 potassium-rich foods that studies have observed can help promote healthy fluid balance, ranked from helpful to truly life-changing, and some may surprise you. Let's start with one food you probably have in your pantry, but you might not realize is a fluid-fighting powerhouse: pistachios. Most people know pistachios as a satisfying, crunchy snack or something to pass around on holidays. But pistachios, especially the unsalted kind, are packed with potassium, delivering over 1,000 milligrams in a single cup. That is more than twice what you would get from a banana. Many older adults actually avoid nuts because of salt, worried it will make swelling worse. Here's the trick: skip the salted, roasted versions and go for plain or lightly toasted pistachios with no added sodium. Potassium helps flush out excess sodium by pulling it out of your cells, which allows your body to release the water trapped in your soft tissues. Imagine sitting down in your favorite chair in the evening and looking at your ankles, only to see the swelling has calmed down instead of creeping up your leg. In one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, adding even 700 milligrams more potassium a day, including from pistachios, led to noticeably less swelling for older adults in just 10 days. Pistachios are easy to add in. I recommend grabbing a small handful, about 30 grams, in the mid-morning or as a late afternoon snack. Chew slowly and have it with a glass of water to support your kidneys' natural flushing. Don't over-toast and never add extra salt, or you lose much of the benefit. And if you like a little variety, toss them on top of a salad with some leafy greens or yogurt to give your snack an extra nutritional punch. It's a simple habit, but the results can be surprisingly powerful. Now let's move to a food many of us remember from childhood lunchboxes. But today it might be the secret weapon for puffy eyes and tight hands: apricots. Apricots, especially dried ones, often fly under the radar. But just half a cup gives you nearly 1,100 milligrams of potassium, enough to help your body start balancing fluids within hours. You might not realize it, but common medications like diuretics or blood pressure tablets can speed up potassium loss, making seniors especially low, sometimes without any warning. That's where apricots shine. They work particularly well for facial puffiness and swelling that lingers after sleep or in the heat. A recent study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine showed that seniors who added soaked dried apricots to their breakfast saw a marked decrease in facial swelling after just 1 week. The best way to use dried apricots is to soak them overnight. This reduces their sugar intensity, makes them softer for sensitive teeth, and helps release potassium more rapidly as you digest them. You can add these juicy bites to morning oatmeal, or simply eat them together with a little yogurt or a few unsalted nuts. If you're watching sugar because of diabetes, never have them on an empty stomach. Pair them with some protein or fiber, so you avoid a blood sugar spike. For those who like a gentle twist, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon can further help kidneys respond well, leaving you less bloated when you start your day. Next, let's talk about the food most people toss aside, thinking it's only for dieters: celery. Celery is often overlooked as boring, but for drainage and swelling, it is one of the best choices you can make. A mid-sized stalk of celery gives you about 250 milligrams of potassium. While that alone isn't earth-shattering, celery stands out because it's also rich in natural plant compounds, phthalates, which help to relax blood vessels and jumpstart kidney filtration. That means you're not only getting potassium, but also a nudge for your body to let go of excess sodium and water. In a study published by the Journal of Renal Nutrition, seniors with high blood pressure or mild kidney stress who ate 4 stalks of celery a day noticed a substantial reduction in lower leg swelling within just 3 days. If you want these benefits, the best way is to eat celery raw whenever possible. Slice it, dip it in a bit of hummus, or mix into a lightly cooked soup. Don't juice it by itself. Juicing removes fiber, which you actually want to slow sodium absorption. Never overcook celery, because too much heat breaks down the active compounds and reduces potassium. And pay attention to the leaves at the top, though bitter. They're where most anti-inflammatory chemicals hide. So chop them into your soup or even blend them into green smoothies for a double boost. Now for something sweet and juicy that's often connected with summer barbecues, but research suggests could be your best friend after a salty meal: watermelon. Watermelon isn't just refreshing. Each cup contains about 320 milligrams of potassium, plus an amino acid called citrulline, shown to improve blood movement and kidney function. With more than 90% water by weight, watermelon hydrates you, but its hidden edge is how it can help flush sodium even faster. In a study from the Journal of Hypertension and Aging, adults over 60 who ate 2 cups daily for 10 days reported not only healthier blood pressure, but also less swelling in hands and ankles even after they'd eaten processed foods the night before. To get the most out of watermelon, don't eat it all by itself, especially if you're sensitive to sugar. Pair it with a small handful of almonds or a scoop of Greek yogurt. This slows the sugar release and puts your body in the best position to take advantage of both potassium and citrulline. Did you know the white rind just below the red flesh contains even more citrulline? Next time, try chopping up that part and blending it into a smoothie, or quickly pickle it with apple cider vinegar for a low-sodium side dish. Moving ahead, let's talk about an unassuming pantry staple: The humble white bean. White beans like cannellini or navy beans are plant-based potassium giants. Just 1 cup yields over 180 milligrams, or nearly a third of the daily recommended intake for an adult. But unlike fruit, the potassium here comes alongside plant proteins and fiber, so it's released gradually, maintaining your body's fluid balance all day long. If you've noticed your swelling building up slowly by afternoon, your shoes feel tight, and by evening your fingers won't budge. Adding in white beans could help slow down or even reverse that trend. A British Journal of Nutrition study showed that after just 2 weeks of eating white beans 3 times weekly, older adults reported 19% less leg swelling and a significant boost in kidney sodium clearance. For best results, cook white beans from dried if you're able, because canned versions can be loaded with hidden sodium. Soak the beans overnight, changing the water once or twice, then boil with a pinch of baking soda to lock in softness and potassium. Enjoy them in soups, mashed into a spread with lemon and fresh garlic, or tossed into salads. The secret many chefs miss is that a sprinkling of parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon helps your body absorb even more potassium and supports gentle digestion. The difference between feeling drained and feeling light on your feet can sometimes be as simple as adding beans regularly to your week. Let's switch gears to something you probably don't have in your fridge but should consider for rapid relief: coconut water. Coconut water acts almost like a natural electrolyte solution, rapidly delivering around 600 milligrams of potassium in just 1 cup, alongside additional minerals like magnesium. This is one secret behind why it's long been used for rehydration after physical stress or even illness. During World War II, coconut water was used in emergencies for IV hydration when nothing else was available, although that's not recommended now. It highlights just how quickly your body can absorb and use these nutrients. A study recently observed that seniors who drank a cup of coconut water after dinner experienced faster overnight fluid release, less morning puffiness, and a gentle reduction in ankle circumference across a single week. For safe use, make sure to choose pure, unsweetened coconut water, not the bottles mixed with sugary juices or artificial flavors. Drink about 200 milliliters between meals rather than with them. If you want to mimic nature's own solution, add a pinch of natural sea salt. This balances the sodium-potassium ratio for improved hydration without overloading your kidneys, helping your body pull water from swollen tissues naturally. Now, let's talk about a beloved green vegetable that many think of for iron: spinach, but only if you prepare it the right way. Spinach can be a true game changer for swelling, but here's what most people don't realize. When eaten raw, most of its potassium is locked up by natural chemicals called oxalates. These compounds bind potassium, preventing your body from absorbing the full benefit. To unlock its true power, lightly steam fresh spinach for just 60 to 90 seconds. This brief heat breaks down oxalates but preserves potassium, giving you almost 840 milligrams in just a cup. European Journal of Nutrition and Aging researchers recently noted that seniors who added steamed spinach 4 times a week saw less hand stiffness and dramatic improvements in swollen legs within just 2 weeks. Always choose fresh spinach. Rinse well and only steam gently. Never boil large amounts, as boiling pulls potassium out into the water you likely throw away. Drizzle with a touch of extra virgin olive oil or a squeeze of lemon to boost absorption of other vital nutrients. And remember, buying frozen blocks is convenient, but often results in a soggy mess with lower nutritional value. Finally, we reach the top of the list: the mighty avocado. Avocado is often called a superfood for its healthy fats, but what matters here is its high potassium content, around 975 milligrams in 1 medium piece, along with magnesium and plant fiber, because avocado contains almost no sugar and plenty of monounsaturated fat. It digests slowly and steadily, allowing your body to absorb potassium over time. That means less sharp fluid shifts and more lasting comfort for older adults who struggle with persistent swelling. In a large study of over 500 seniors, those who enjoyed just half an avocado daily with lunch for 2 weeks reported 31% fewer foot and ankle symptoms and slept better with less nighttime cramping. Try mashing avocado onto whole grain toast, topped with soaked apricots or sliced white beans, for a potassium-packed meal that's easy to digest and less likely to spike blood sugar. Add a light sprinkle of sea salt and a squirt of lemon juice for taste and better mineral digestion. A lot of people worry avocados are too fattening, but the fats found in avocados have actually been linked to better insulin control, steadier energy, and longer-lasting blood potassium levels compared to fruits alone. The most important thing is consistency. Making avocado a regular part of your rotation can do far more for your comfort than any single pill ever will. By now, it should be clear, swelling, puffiness, and heavy legs are not something you have to simply accept as part of getting older. These are warning signs that your body is holding on to water instead of clearing it out, and potassium may play a much bigger role than most doctors have time to explain. Processed foods, takeout meals, ready-made breads, and even healthy canned items are packed with hidden sodium, quietly pushing potassium out of balance, while pharmaceutical companies sell water pills to treat what could sometimes be addressed naturally with the right foods. So which of these 8 potassium-rich foods are you most interested to try? Have you ever had a day where your swelling got so uncomfortable you wondered if it was something dangerous? Share your experiences in the comments, and let us know which foods you have in your kitchen right now. I respond to every message with tips that can be tailored to your situation. And your story might inspire someone else who is struggling in silence. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video made just for senior health. We publish expert-backed, easy-to-understand advice for living your best life after 50, and we would love for you to be part of our growing community. Thank you for watching, and remember, your next step to better health could be as simple as what you put on your plate today.